Hopefully, name. Can't get So what are you putting there?
Spacer.
So why do you put that?
And being good, they will be straight, no break, no curve, no bend.
It will be straight. Let me ask the master. Where did the master inside? Master, he did it. So this whole work, how many days do you think you can finish?
Finish. Next week.
Next week. By next week you will finish all the house.
Yeah.
All these things. As he said, your body do something, say spacer. Why do you do the spacer?
So you want get the straight line.
That is why for straight line, the accuracy. The work is neat. Very, very neat. By your name?
Felix.
Okay. I'm trying to. So if somebody have this work anywhere in Ghana, if you are bad, you can go and do it. Try. So that was Mr. Kwete and Felix for you, trying to give us an update of this particular project. This is at Tema Community 25, near Dowenya, and most of our artisans have done a lot of work with this project, all the way from buying of this land and also putting up this building to this state. You can see the POP work being done here. And for those that have been following us on the channel for some time now, if you look through the windows, that gives you an idea of the location in which we are. We recently sold the land for one of our subscribers here on the channel, a black American lady, or let me say an African American, who is trying to move back to the continent. So she is going to be the neighbor of the owner of this house. So we also have Frank, who did the Burglar Proof, work you see here. We also have Frank in there. I mean, if you go to my playlist, all the artisans I'm mentioning here, I have a video of all of them and I put it in a playlist with their names. So if you click on it, you see the amazing job they've done, and if you like it, you get in touch with them directly. You can also inform me if you get in touch with them, just for me to follow up with your project, or you can deal with them directly. I trust these guys, and that's why I'm doing this for them. So I'll bring you an update when all the tiles are being laid. I'll be following up with this project, so just watch out for this particular update.
Wow, that's very nice. So after the plastering, we get the opportunity to do some design around the building. Let's look at it. Very nice.
So that is Abraham for you, our windows and door design. He also does for pillars, which you can see on your screen now. Also, with fence wall and POP. I think parapet. I think sorry, he doesn't do POP, but he does the parapet. Or the coping. If you want to do that on your fence wall in your building, this guy will get it done for you. I think recently one of our subscribers or one of our clients challenged him to do the plastering for him because he didn't want to get another kind of artisans to come and do that. So he just let him go on and do the plastering, and that is what you see here after the work. He did the plastering, and that is the job being done here by Abraham. So if you need his service, just get in touch with him. If you want more design and more work he has done, you want to see his work, once again you go to my playlist. His works are all there. It's called the window and door design. You'll see all the works that he has done. And also, if you have a picture or a video of a design that you want, you can show it to him, and trust me, Abraham will get it done for you. And he doesn't mind, if you don't like it, he doesn't mind taking it off and doing it, back. He did it for one client. He didn't tell me, but the client called me and told me that, hey, this guy, is very good. I put a design up, but my wife didn't like it. And, straight Abraham went to redo the work for the owner. So please get in touch with Abraham, have discussion with him, tell him what you want, express yourself, and I believe Abraham will be of help and he will do a great job for you. And he works across the country, so just get in touch with him and he will be there to do your work. So from Abraham we go straight to Bruno, and Bruno is the guy that deals with our balustrade and anything with glass, windows, doors, gates, everything that has to do with glass. Bruno is the guy. You can go to my playlist again, his name is there. Every job that he has done through this channel is on that platform, is on that playlist. You see what he has done. If you like any design there, he can repeat it for you. If you want to do some adjustments and some modification, he will also do it for you. Bruno is also a cool guy. Also good compliment I've gotten from clients about Bruno. That's why I keep doing this for these guys. That gives me the joy, getting all those feedback, that it means a lot to me. So you can see what Bruno has done here. Very beautiful job done, on this staircase. Very beautiful. So you want to see more, I have more for you in the playlist. Just get in there, and you'll see the job, you've done. These are people you can easily talk to. They are nice people. I keep saying this, that if you get in touch with these people, like you will love them. You will love working with them. These guys have been doing this way long before I even started all this YouTube thing. But it's through me. I'm trying to put them together and form a team, and make this easy for my subscribers so that they can easily get access to people who work with them, because the story we hear from family and friends, it's not nice depending on the family. I also live in the West, so I know how hard it is here, working in the sun, in the rain, in the storm, in the snow, sending money there, and then they just misuse your money, doing shoddy jobs, getting unqualified people, trying to pay for cheap materials. That's why I always say get in touch with my artisans directly. And I know why I am saying that you get in touch with them, call them. It doesn't matter if your number is foreign number or local number, they will deal with you the same. They will deal with you the same. We've been hearing stories, some of these caretakers and the people you put them in charge, when they call them, they try to strike a deal, they go for the cheap materials. But when you call, you tell us what you really want. You want the quality. But your caretakers and those people managing your house for you, they are not looking at quality. They are looking for ways to make money. So it doesn't matter if your number is a foreign number, local number, we deal with you the same way. So just call them yourself and just hand them to your caretakers, or you let your caretakers do the watching and also do the monitoring of your project for you, so that everything is done as you wish. The video is done, but I still have a lot of tips to share with you guys. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tips, in building your house. I have a lot in my videos. You can choose any project, and I've shared so much in there. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next episode. Like to we.